Hi, my name is Tamara. I am going to present piano lessons to you. You can find the lessons online at Facebook. Now I'm going to start with 4 pages from the first lesson. Let's see. Okay, you're going to see on page 1, first it shows you a keyboard and explains that the music alphabet goes from A to G. So you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A to G, and then it starts right back over with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then again A, and it keeps on going and so on. So what we want to do first is start by finding the groups of 2 black keys. So your piano or keyboard will have 2 black keys together, and then you'll see 3, and then 2, 3. So let's find all the groups of 2 black keys. Okay, and so on. And so try this on your own with your own keyboard at home. Now let's find all the groups of 3 black keys. And so on. Now, in order to find middle C, you're going to find the group of 2 black keys that are in the middle of the piano. And if I lean back a little bit, you can see, well, that's the middle of the piano. So there are 2 black keys, and then it's going to be to the left of those. So that is your middle C. So in order to find all the C's on the piano, we would go to the 2 black keys and go to the left of that. So let's find all the C's. C, C. And now let's try to find all the E's. So from C, you want to count, well, say the letters C, D, E. So that's your E. And it's to the right of the 2 black keys. So E, there's E, E. And then there are a couple more at the bottom of the piano as well. Okay. And then doing the same with the same method, just find all the G's. There's G, so from C, count up to G, C, D, E, F, G. And then find all the A's. And remember, after G, it starts again with A. So find all those keys. Okay, now what we want to do next is play the song Ode to Joy. You have the sheet music, and you'll notice that inside these notes, you have an actual letter there, and my camera's not really focusing in. But if you look really closely, you'll see that there are letters inside these, and those letters say E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D, and so on. So what you want to do is figure out where these notes are on the piano and play these. And if you go back to page 1, you'll see that this first note, it's this bottom line here. It has a squiggly G clef. And then this bottom line is an E. So if you compare it over here, there is the G clef, that squiggly thing. And here's your E, which is on the bottom line. So here is your E on the piano. So we want to find E and play, just follow the music, the sheet music. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D, E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. And now when you are learning this music, don't try to imitate what I did on the piano. Don't memorize it by looking at my fingers. You should really memorize it by looking at these notes and remembering where E is on the piano and matching it up to what you see here on the sheet music. So the key to becoming a good piano player is, well, one of the keys is to really get to know, to be able to sight read and see the notes and read it on the spot. The next thing we want to go over is rhythm. You're going to see The very top one is called a quarter note, and it takes 1 beat. The second one has, well, both of them have a stem. The first one has a little line there and called a stem. And the second one is like an open circle with a stem, and that's a half note. The third one has an open circle with a stem and a dot there, and that's a dotted half note, and that takes 3 beats. And then you have your whole note, which is just like a circle. So what we want to do next is practice clapping, or you could just use the piano and practice the rhythm on the piano. So let's find the F, because that would be an F normally, or you could clap this and then just play this pattern. And remember, these are all 1 beat, so it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's find the F and play the sheet music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, you have whole notes, exercise 2. So what you want to do is hold it out for the entire measure. And this is kind of like comparing, the first exercise 1 is like having 4 quarters, if you throw 4 quarters in a box and you count 4 quarters in the box and then count a second box that contains 4 quarters. And the second exercise is like having a box with only a dollar bill. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if my quarter and dollar analogy is kind of weird, but I don't know, it's just an idea, I guess. The next one is mixing it up. So you have your whole note, and then your quarter notes, and whole note, and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now exercise 4, you have half notes. And remember, those are 2 beats each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you had a whole note at the very end. Okay, now exercise number 5 is pretty tricky because you have a dotted half note, which is how many beats again? Do you recall? It's supposed to be 3 beats. And then you have a quarter note. And then again, what do you call that note? A dotted half note and a quarter note. And then you start out with a quarter note and then go to dotted half note, quarter note, and dotted half note. So you do 3 beats plus 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3.